It's like, it's teaching like a DJ is what I refer to it as. It's like, when you're a DJ, you can't play the same set list for the wedding you played last night, to the 12-year-old's birthday party, to the retirement party, like to the block party. It's never going to be the same. There's not like, otherwise people would just hit a playlist. You hire a DJ because they can feel the room out. They know when to play, you know, old, I don't know, like Jill Scott jams, or they know when to play, you know, if they can reach and play like a Nas song, or if it's going to be Motown, or if they're going to play neo soul. Like, they can feel the room out. They know when people are leaving the dance floor, they got to switch it up and play some other jam that's going to bring everyone in. And so you have to have that sense of your room also when you're a teacher, is like knowing what is interesting. And when you try a lesson, and even if you worked your ass off to create it and it sucks, you got to scrap it. Like, or figure out how to teach that thing a different way. And so in my first year, I had this great idea. We were going to learn about persuasive writing. We were going to study the I Have a Dream speech. We were going to watch it. And I was like super stoked about it because I was like really passionate about that. And 5-10 minutes in, hands start going up, and they're like, Reynolds, can I go to the bathroom? Or, do we have to watch this? Oh my God, this is black and white. Why are we even watching this? And it didn't connect to my students. So instead, we took that lesson and I taught the same exact thing, but the students wanted to do something around art and music. So we focused it around the Harlem Renaissance, which for some reason was a hit when Martin Luther King Jr. wasn't. But it was more risque. It was the music of the time. It was the art of the time. It was like people that had been downtrodden, that like migrated from the South. Everyone ended up in New York City or Chicago or St. Louis, and these cultural explosions happened. And so we made our room into an art museum of all different stuff. So we had kids that built grand pianos out of cardboard. We had kids that were making like portrait busts of their favorite artists and stuff, like recreating paintings. And the room it was awesome. And so it was just that shift. I still taught all the same persuasive techniques that I needed to teach, but it was just through something that actually engaged the students and made them excited. And we had kids that were coming in from 7 o'clock in the morning and sometimes staying until like 6:30 when the school like made us leave. And they were happy to be there because we had like music on and we're doing stuff and we're talking and laughing and trying stuff. And it's about creating that environment.